The GAN 11M Duo comes in at £36, which is 3/4 of the price of the standard GAN 11M Pro and 2/3 the price of the special UV coated and softer versions. It performs exactly the same pretty much as the GAN 11M Pro stickless primary, as the design is the same. The only difference is that you cannot change the magnet strength. This also makes it significantly lighter. It is just 59 grams, 59.1 apparently, and obviously it still comes in at 56 millimeters, 55.8 according to this, and it is just the same as it corner cuts brilliantly and is very fast and smooth. As you can see, cube turns very nicely. So you can also change the tensions and the centerpiece travel distance using this tool, just like on the actual GAN 11M Pro, and it also has these dark blue things which you can take out this light blue one and replace them with these to allow you for a few more options in centerpiece travel distance. Other than that, there is a bit less options when it comes to tensioning, but well, it's just like GAN 11M Pro, but than most 3x3s. The mechanism is the same as the GAN 11M Pro, and it also has this corner core magnet system just like GAN 11M Pro, and slightly different to previous GAN cubes in that this section is smaller, but that, in my opinion, makes it a lot better actually. So I would recommend this cube if you want a GAN 11M Pro and you couldn't care less about magnet strength adjustment and just want a GAN 11M Pro. Why not get this? It's lighter, it's just the same and cheaper, but you can't change the magnet strength. If that's not a problem for you, then get this cube if you want the best GAN cube there is. Obviously, if you want the absolute best GAN cube, also look into the soft and UV coated versions. So here we have a pretty bad 10.837 average of 5. It goes to show just how good the cube is. My turning was just a bit bad in that average, and look ahead not great, and efficiency not as good as it was when I got my PB average of 50 earlier today of 9.49, which was actually with the GAN 11M Pro soft version, but the GAN 11M Duo is pretty similar to that. It's very nice to see they're releasing cubes like this that are more affordable, and I think I've heard they're going to release a GAN 11M which has even less features but the same design. Be interesting to see what that's like, but we'll have to wait and see.